company Skyhook International has partnered with Boeing to develop a neutrally buoyant rotorcraft. The airship hasn't left the drawing board yet, but the goal is to have 2 prototypes ready for commercial use by 2012. Kenneth Laubish, Boeing's chief engineer for the project, says it's designed to carry up to a 40-ton payload over 300 kilometers. He says for industry, this coming technology is a game changer.
We're just basically opening up a whole frontier for them. So that's why I think the oil companies and gas companies are most excited, because it opens up land mass that they know they're proven reserves there. They know that they're there, they just can't get to them. So.
Laubish says the rotorcraft is specifically designed to handle the climate and challenges of the Arctic. The JHL-40 or Jess Heavy Lifter is named after Peter Jess, the founder of Skyhook. Jess says the aircraft may look similar to a blimp, but its technical properties are much different.
This is not a blimp, and it's not a lighter-than-air aircraft. It's the whole basis for my patent and for our company's intellectual property. It's a neutrally buoyant aircraft. It means it's neither heavy nor light, and we can adjust that using air ballast and our rotor blades.
The rotorcraft will weigh in at 125,000 pounds, yet it's designed to be neutrally buoyant because it's filled with helium. The helium will lift the airship off the ground, and then jet fuel will be used to power the 4 rotors. And all it needs to land is an area the size of a football field. Jess says neutrally buoyant or not, the aircraft will burn its fair share of fuel. Yet he says the environmental impact will be a lot less than industry's alternative.
The aircraft is going to have approximately 24,000 horsepower. And it'll burn a lot of fuel. But if it precludes building a road, when you add up the cost, the energy cost to build and maintain a road versus not building one and using us for a short period of time to move the equipment or things that you need there, it's staggering, the difference.
Jess says the cost to build the aircraft is a lot more feasible because Boeing will only be using pre-existing technology. This is also the reason why Laubish is confident Boeing won't be seeing any competitors tapping into the market anytime soon.
Boeing holds a bunch of analysis techniques and tools as trade secrets that, again, could somebody develop them on their own? Probably, but we have so many years of experience at it and know the most efficient way to do things. I'll go head-to-head with anybody that wants to come into this market. I think we'll do the best job.
Laubish didn't give any financial details as to how much the aircraft will cost to build, other than to say it will be well worth the expense. Shana Nakoni, Energy TV.